through the gates, the music is loud, rushing high energy straight to the crowd. The big one is towering 235, a massive drop screaming, it makes you feel alive. Icon is launching, double the power, Formula 1 G-forces, hand up higher, Grand National racing side-by-side track, Mobius the boarding coaster, no turning back. Big Dipper is bouncing, standard since 23, Revolution looping forward and backward with glee. Confusion is twisted, suspended over the waves, five-walled inversions for the ones who are brave. Avalanche sliding like a bobsled in snow, steeplechase horses, get ready, set, go! Blackpool, Pleasure Beach, rave in the light, late night riding fireworks through the night. From the steel to the wood, the coasters are high, we are chasing the thrill straight into the sky. Happy hardcore energy, feel the bass drop at the ultimate park, where the pulse doesn't stop. Nickelodeon street keeping history gold, blue flyer for children, a story retold. Avicta's is swinging a giant gyro flight, launch pad is shooting us into the night. Valhalla is freezing then burning with fire, a multi-sensory dark ride taking us higher. Thrill-o-matic driving in a giant slipper shoe, Wallace and Gromit are waiting for you. Ghost train is haunting the world's very first, Alice in Wonderland a magical burst. Avatar airbender spinning on the wave, SpongeBob splash splash the water we crave. Rugrats Lost River, a love flume delight, Dora's World Voyage, a beautiful sight. Check it out! From the historic 1904 Hiram Maxim flying machines to the high-speed derby racers spinning round, and the gallopers carousel singing its tune. Don't forget the Pleasure Beach Express steaming under the tracks. Are you ready for the final countdown? Bring back the car! Ferry World Taxi, Bikini Bottom Bus, Wonder Pets bouncing, there's no time to fuss. Diego's Rainforest, Backyardigans crew, the ultimate rave is waiting for you. Maximum energy, 3, 2, 1, go! Blackpool, Pleasure Beach, rave in the light, late night riding fireworks through the night. Every single ride, the adrenaline gleams, this is the kingdom of coasters and dreams. Happy hardcore energy, feel the bass drop at the ultimate park, where the pulse doesn't stop. Pleasure Beach rave, we conquer the steel, we conquer the wood. Blackpool, you're the best. My name is Emma, aka Dolly, the proudest niece. Mr. Blade, the puppeteer, he's the strange guy with the pink eyes. Ha ha ha!